Good evening, my dear JEE 2025 warriors. I know the JEE mains April attempt, which is your second attempt for this year, is barely few days away. And in the last few days, a lot of queries were coming. Sir, I have completed, most of the syllabus, or, even if you have done 60% of the syllabus, trust me, it is really good. You can really achieve a very good percentile and still secure a seat in NIT. So don't run behind now completing the entire syllabus because those days are gone. And by this particular Sunday or Monday, I think you should slowly start keeping your textbooks away or start keeping your theory material away and move more towards your problem solving books, mock tests, and all of that. So obviously the last few days will test how well you can apply your knowledge into the question paper on time, and obviously you have to work out a lot of strategies. See, let me tell you very clearly that nobody knows and how the paper is going to come, meaning whether maths only will be hard or physics, just like January attempt in some shifts will be hard. It's just a matter of luck or bad luck, I would say. And accordingly, you have to adapt yourself. Sir, if physics came hard, how can you start it with physics? Or how can you waste too much time in physics? Obviously, then you have to go to chemistry. If chemistry is hard, then you have to move on to some other subject. You have to plan your time. You cannot lose a track of time. You cannot be also hell-bent that I will solve all the questions. Obviously, that is not possible. Solving questions smartly, picking up the questions smartly can boost up your score. Remember that. And keep this line in mind. I'm repeating this. In fact, you can make a timestamp out of this or probably make a video reel out of this. I mean, I'm telling you this again and again. Whether it's a difficult question or whether it's an easy question, both the questions carry equal weightage, that is 4 marks. So, if you waste 10 minutes solving the difficult question, you might feel extremely proud. You might think you are an intellect. Okay, I have solved a good question. Fine. What do you want? An appreciation for that? It's not going to matter. Rather, in those 10 minutes, if you solve 5 questions, which are easy, doable, 5 fours are 20. You have scored 20 marks. So be smart in picking up the questions. Okay. So, my dear students, practice, 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 and that too mock tests, not random practice. That means you need time practice. So, I have solved that problem for you by giving you mock tests for the upcoming JEE mains. And I can see Udarshan. Well, I will tell you about all the doubts. Don't worry, guys. I know many of you are asking a lot of doubts. Just hold on, listen to the announcement. So, if you want those test series, I am bringing to you a new set of test series, which is called as the last mile. Because literally, this is your last, last, last few days where you can prove yourself. Only when you get a good percentile in JEE mains, you can qualify for JEE advance. Only then your IT dream can come true. Or else, if you don't qualify JEE mains, you can't say anything, you can't even attempt. At least if you get bare minimum percentile, you just clear the cutoff, at least that hope is there that you can still crack JEE advance. So I don't want that hope to get lost away. So that's why you have the JEE last mile test series. Now, this is based on the complete syllabus with the new pattern, and it has lot of analysis tools which will help you improve your score. And it is a proper realistic simulation of how your actual test is going to be. There are theme-based papers, meaning sometimes the paper will be very difficult, very easy, sometimes very lengthy. Some subject is very hard, some subject is very thing, only theoretical questions, very calculative. So all kinds of theme-based question papers are there in this. And obviously, you need to have the habit of paper solving, analyzing your mistakes, and not repeating the mistakes. Okay, sir, I did analysis beautifully. Sir, amazing. No, you should note it down and make sure that next mock test you are not repeating it. How you are conducting your rough work, how you are choosing the questions, what is the order in which you are solving the paper, how much time you decide to jump on to the next question, how much time you are taking to decide whether I should solve it or not solve it, how many times are you missing out on the key information, how many times are you coming back on the question which you left out before. All these things matter a lot, and that is why this particular test series are important. These tests exactly look like your NTA screen. You can go to any question, you can see how many questions are not attempted, questions to be reviewed. You can see the analysis will come in this particular format with all the accuracies, your timing, your percentage of attempt, and even topic wise analysis, subject wise analysis, question type analysis with the average versus the top percentile scorers. The complete analysis will come. How much time you are spending per question automatically is given. You don't have to waste your time doing that analysis with the solutions, everything. So this is your JEE Mains last mile test series. I will show you where to buy it. By the way, the link is there in the description box. But if JEE alone is not your goal and you have some backup exams in mind, don't worry. Then we have something called as the extra mile test series. Last mile is for JEE. Extra mile is beyond JEE also. So these extra mile test series covers MHT-CET, which is your Maharashtra CET exam, K-CET, which is for Karnataka, VIT Tripoli for Vellore Institute of Technology, EAP-SAT, which is for Andhra and Telangana, ISER, SRMJ, KIIT, WBJE, BITSAT, COMEDK. All these exams are covered in this extra mile test series. Again, theme-based papers, you can do the analysis, you have different difficulty levels, and you have proper simulated exam with the exact same pattern and the difficulty. Also, you can see you will get around 10 tests of every kind, be it MHT-CET, K-CET, AP-SAT, BITSAT, COMEDK, WBJ, everything, full syllabus test series, and you can give it at any point of time. That's the best part of it. So, where to buy this and how much is it for? Well, it was for 5,000 rupees before. Now let's see what's the price, guys. So let's go directly jump to the description box of this particular video. And as you can see down over here, JEE last mile and extra mile test series. Just click on this particular link. Click on this particular link. Yep. So go down. Can you see this? This 399 rupees for the All India JEE test series. But some of you will be like, no, sir, I want some extra access to some books. Well, you have that book access. Yep, at extra, 100 rupees, sir, I want top books as well. So you can pay that extra 100 rupees and you will get it over here. Okay, so this was your last mile test series as well. And you also have the extra mile test series. I think that link is not there for some reason. Okay, I'll get it pasted in the description box. That is just for 999 rupees. Okay, so for all the other examinations, if you want that extra mile test series, that link is also going to be pasted. So that includes other examinations. Okay, so make the best use of it, guys, and please focus mainly on test series now. Don't sit and learn new things. That is not the time, especially after Monday or Tuesday. That's the maximum time you can spend learning new things. Cool. Bye bye. Have a great time. Hasta la vista. Thank you for liking this video and please share it with your friends. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for liking, guys.